Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing a room tour, as you can tell by the title of this video. I apologize, I'm not looking the best right now, but that's because I'm in my room. It's the weekend. I don't know why I would dress up for this short intro. Just a little background, I moved into this room around like last spring, and I have been putting it together up until now, and I just decided this is finally the perfect time to make a room tour. I have never had my own room before this. This is the first time where I've had my own room and had the opportunity to just put whatever I want in it. So I hope you guys like it and like this simple, very minimalistic look that I have put together in my room. And yeah, let's go take a look at my room. Welcome to my room. It is very simple, and I do want to note that all of my furniture is white. First, I'm going to start on the left side of my room, where I have the silver clock hanging above my dresser, and on my dresser I have these photo frames. All of them are from Michaels. The one on the left and the one on the right are very similar, but just different colors, silver and gold. The second photo frame that I have is my favorite. It's kind of like a photo album actually, because you can put a lot of different photos in the little like sheet photo protector things, and you can flip through them whenever you'd like. The next photo frame I have just says friends on the top and like these silver block letters that I really like. And then next I have this rose gold Motorola, I think it's second generation smartwatch, and it's on its little charging station, and I got this watch from Amazon if you guys want to check that out. My actual dresser that all this stuff is on is a white 4-drawer dresser from IKEA, and then in the corner there's some weights with some resistant bands that I sometimes use. In the very first drawer, I just have some kind of miscellaneous things, I guess, but they are organized. I have my ID cards, and then I have some phone cases in one stack. Then I have all of these photo frames and photos that just do not fit anywhere else in my room, and I need to store them. I don't know if in the future I might like to take them out and hang them up or something. Then I have this clear container which has a lot of like extra cords and earbud covers, and it also has a flash drive. I also have some extra earbuds there, like wireless earbuds that I just don't use very often. Then I have this container that I like kind of DIY'd, and it has a bunch of random jewelry that's not like on chains, and then on it there's some scotch tape as well as one of my sports watches. Then I have these Christmas lights, and they're in a bag because it's just easier to store them like that. They're very plain Christmas lights. I hope to hang them around sometime during Christmas. Then I have this weather section I like to call. I have my hat, like a summer hat, some gloves, and a warm hat. Then I have my sunglasses, my gum, and then some sun protection stuff like a lip balm, a face sunscreen stick, and then a whole entire tube of sunscreen. These two containers right here, the silver and the gold, they contain some jewelry. The gold one is a pretty necklace that I got from a friend, and then this contains all of my necklaces that are made out of silver and have chains and like little parts to it. This is my health section. It has some Ace wraps, some cough drops, a nasal spray. Not much. In the second drawer, I have some t-shirts and tanks and long sleeve shirts. They're all kind of organized by type. I have some logo shirts, some tank tops, a warmer shirt. Then I have all of my logo like school and work type of t-shirts that you can't just like wear unless it's for that event. Then I have 2 stacks of my long sleeve shirts, and they're organized by colors. You can see the one on the right is like gray bluish colors, then it's all the reddish colors. Then I have just my basic t-shirts and stuff like that, and then some more tank tops in the corner. In the third drawer, I have all of my athletic wear. It's some athletic shorts, running shorts, and then I have a long sleeve athletic top that I sometimes wear to dance. Then I have all of my sports t-shirts and tank tops that are all organized, and then I have 2 stacks of leggings. On the right are all of my black leggings, on the left are all of my mesh and shorter and different colored leggings, and then I have my 2 only tennis skirts that I never wear, but I have them anyways for any special reason that I need to wear them. And in the last drawer, I just have a bunch of sweaters that did not fit into my closet, and I rarely wear, which is why they're all in the bottom drawer. Next, I have my desk, and I'll have a desk tour coming soon. In front of it is this swivel chair that I've had for as long as I can remember. I don't know where it's from. And then right next to my desk, I have my window. It is really bright, really long and tall. It gives me a lot of natural light in my room that I really like. On the windowsill, I have these two plants on the left. One is an orchid in this red pot, and the flower fell off, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna grow back on like the little two branches. I hope it does anyways. And then I have a small tiny succulent right next to it in this really pretty golden pot that I have. I really like it. Then on the right of my windowsill, I have a light box, and I just have this quote that says, "If you can dream it, you can achieve it." Sometimes it just motivates me when I look at it. And then I have the school countdown on it, 3 days till the start of school, because that's what it was when I was filming this. But currently I just have the weeks left till first semester ends. Then in the corner I have this lamp, which is from Lowe's. It's a yellow light, but I just need to change the light bulbs, but it is very convenient. On it I have this ornament. This is Best Friends. I know it's not Christmas, but it still looks nice, and I have to put it somewhere. Underneath my lamp, I have some slippers that are just standing there next to my bed, and then I have a water bottle. My bed is a white Hems bed from IKEA. I really like it. It has these tall like edges, but that you can't really see because of my tall mattress. Above it, I have a painting that I painted myself. It has my signature. I promise I painted it. Just some mountains. It's a very landscape pretty painting. One of my favorite paintings that I have ever painted. My bedding is from IKEA, and then these two pillows, the decorative white and black fluffy pillows, are from Walmart, and then this pillow case just matches the black and white flower set that I got from IKEA, and then the red pillow is just like there. It's miscellaneous really, it's kind of random. Then I have these lights that I have hung around the perimeter of my bed, and they have a lot of different settings that you can set. My favorite is this like faded one, and I like to turn it on at night. Maybe if I'm watching a movie in my bed, or if it's just I want to feel a little bit more cozy. I really like these lights. My bed has a very awesome thing, which are these these three drawers here, which are super awesome for storage. In the first drawer, I just have some lounge and like home clothes and stuff like that. I have my shirts, pajama pants, sleeping socks. In the second drawer, I have my bags and purses and stuff. These are two of my camera bags, and then I just have some extra purses, wallets, and I also have some older backpacks and bags and stuff like that in the farther part of my drawer. This drawer is kind of like my arts, crafts, old school stuff drawer. I have some colored paper, lined paper, notebooks, sketch pads. I used to be very obsessed with art and sketch pads at one point. I have so many sketch pads in this drawer, you have no idea, and I've literally used like only 3 or 4 of them, and the rest of them are just empty, but I'm hoping that sometime they come in handy. So that is that for that drawer. Then moving on to the end part of my room, I have my piano keyboard that stands to the right of my bed, and then I have my viola that's like right next to my bed, and then this photo that I took for my photography class hangs above my piano. This piano is a Casio CDP 120. I really like this keyboard, and then all the stands and the chair is from Amazon. Next to it, I have my 2-door standard closet. It's just beige in color, and this was the way that I moved into this room. I have some jeans on the top and some clothes, and I actually have this 6-drawer dresser in my closet, which I find very handy for like socks and underwear and stuff like that. Then on the left side, I have some more clothes, more like warmer clothes, and then I have a bunch more art supplies at the very top because I used to be obsessed with art once. And then to the right, I have this tall mirror, which I got from Walmart. It's just one of those basic mirrors. And then to the right, I have a door hanger on my door, which I have a rope hanging on, but sometimes I like to put other stuff on it. this is it for my room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and thank you for watching. Please make sure to like, subscribe, check out my other videos. I would appreciate it. And as always, I will see you in my next video.